Welcome to the infrared of me Realme Narzo 50i Prime, and I'll show you how to mute notification sound on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap on the sound section. After that you'll see here the ring and notification volume panel, and if you want to mute your device notifications you can hold and swipe to the left side this white dot, but by this way you will mute not only your device notifications but also the ringtones. And if you want to stay with the ringtones and to mute only notifications, you should unmute this volume panel and then scroll to default notification sound, and to change your currently notification sound just to none, then just tap here to OK, and now we can see that our notification sounds they moved successfully and you will stay with the ringtones. So that's it, thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.